Hello people! In this video, we'll see few date and time functions. You can create a date by using function called date. If you have month, year and day, then you can create a date using function date. This is useful when you want to use any date inside function. Suppose I want to create a date with year 2020, month 1 and day 1. Type date. Open round braces. Here you have to give arguments like year, month and day. I am giving 2020 1 and 1. Close round brace. Press enter. See, the date has been created. When you try to use dates in your other functions, use this date for better results. In the same way, you can create time as well. For this, we have a function called time. Type time, open round braces. Here, you have to give arguments like hour, minute and second. I am giving 13, 50 and 50. Close round brace. Press enter. See, the time has been created as 1:50 p.m. I want the current time and it has to be refreshed every time. How can I do that? We have a function called now. Enter now. Open and close the round braces. This function do not have any argument. Press enter. See, this is the date and time at this point. By using now function, you can get current date and time. We have another function called today. Using this, we can get today's date. Type today. Open and close round braces. Press enter. You can use a shortcut Ctrl semicolon to get today's date. Select the cell, press and hold the Ctrl key, press semicolon. See, we got today's date. From a date, you can extract day or month or year. We have a date 2nd June 2020. Here, I want to extract the year, month and day. We have a function called day. Using this, we can extract a day number from the date. Type day, open round brace. Here in arguments, select the date from which you want day. Close the round brace. Press enter. We got the day as 2. In the same way, we can get month of a date using function called month. Type month, open round brace. Here in arguments, select the date from which you want day. Close the round brace. Press enter. We got the month as 6. We can get year of a date using function called year. Type year, open round brace. Here in arguments, select the date from which you want day. Close the round brace. Press enter. We got the year as 2020. I want to calculate number of days between two dates. For this, we have a formula called days. Here, I have two dates, 1st Jan 2020 and 23rd Jan 2020. I want to calculate the days between these two. Type days, open round brace. Here, in arguments, select the latest date as end date. I am selecting 23rd Jan 2020. In second argument, select the old date. I am selecting 1st Jan 2020. Close the round brace. Press enter. We got the number of days as 22. Please note that it will not consider the day of our last date. I have a date here 23rd Jan 2020. I want to see the date after 50 months. We have a formula to get a date after a certain number of months. We can use eDate. Type eDate, start round brace. Here, select the date from which you want to see future date. Here, in second argument, enter the number of months. I want to see after 50 months. So, entering 50. Close round brace. Press enter. See, this is the date after 50 months from 23rd January 2020. I want to see the last date of a month. Suppose for Jan, the last date is 31st January. We can use a formula called EO month to get the last date of a month. In this function, you should give a date and number of months as arguments. Based on the reference date, it will add number of months and will arrive the future month. In that future month, it will show the last date. Suppose here I have a date as 15th July 2020. I want to see what is the last date after 2 months in September. Type EO month, start round race. Here select the date as 15 July 2020. Enter number of months as 2 in second argument. Close the round brace. Then press enter. See, the last date of September is 30th September 2020. Previously, we have seen how to get day, month and year from a date. Now, we will see how to get hour, minute and second from a time. For this, we have functions called hour, minute and second. Type hour, open round brace, select the date time. Close round brace, then press enter. See, we got the hour as 13. Now we will get minutes. Type minute, open round brace, select the date time. Close round brace, then press enter. This is the minute entry in our date time. Next we have seconds. Type second, open round brace, select the date time. Close round brace, then press enter. We got the seconds. In year, we will have 52 to 53 weeks. Based on the date, I want to know the week number that the date is falling. For this, we have two types of functions, ISOWEEKNUM and weeknum. As per the ISO calendar, week starts from Monday, but normal calendar, the week starts from Sunday. To get a week number as per the ISO calendar, we can use ISO weeknum function. Here we have 19th Jan 2020. This is a Sunday. We'll arrive the week number as per ISO calendar. Type ISO weeknum, open round brace, select the date, close round brace. Then press enter. See, we got the week number as 3. Now we get the week number for the same date as per the regular calendar. Type weeknum, open round brace, select the date, close round brace. Then press enter. See, we got the week number as 4. As I told, week as per the regular calendar starts from Sunday. But as ISO calendar, the week starts from Monday. Due to this, we got 3 as per ISO and 4 as per the regular calendar. I want to get days between these two dates, but I need only weekdays excluding weekends and these holidays. We have a function called NETWORKDAYS. Type NETWORKDAYS, start round race. Here we have to enter the 3 arguments. In first argument, select the start date. Second argument, select the end date. Here we have to specify the list of holidays. I am selecting this holiday list. This is optional. If you don't want, you can ignore this argument. Close the round brace. Press enter. See, we got only working days excluding holidays and weekends. In this function, Sunday and Saturday were considered as weekends. You can change these dates and can select your custom weekdays as weekends. For this, we have function called networkdays.intl. Type networkdays.intl, start round race. Here we have to enter the 4 arguments. In first argument, select the start date. In second argument, select the end date. In third argument, you can see different days as weekends. Choose any one. Next, we have to specify the list of holidays. I am selecting this holiday list. Close the round brace. Press enter. See, we got only working days excluding holidays and custom weekends. We have a function called Workday to arrive future working day from a specific date. You can provide the list of holidays as well. Type Workday, start round race. Here, select the date from where you want to see future working day. Enter the number of days post which you need working day. I am entering 2 days. So, it will see the working day after 2 days. In next argument, select the list of holidays if you need. Close the round brace. Press enter. See, this is the working day after 2 days from this date. In this workday function, the weekends or Saturday and Sunday are non-working days. You can choose other days as weekends. For this, we have a function called workday.intl. Type workday.intl. Start round brace. Here select the date from where you want to see future working day. Enter the number of days post which you need working day. I am entering 2 days. So it will see the working day after 2 days. In third argument, you can see different days as weekends. Choose anyone. Next argument, select the list of holidays if you need. Close the round brace. Press enter. See, this is the working day after 2 days from this date. So far, we have seen date and time functions like date is to create a new date using year, month and day. Time is to create a new time using hour, minute and second. Now is to get the current date and time. Today is to get the current date. Day is to get day number of a date. Month is to get month number of a date. Year is to get year of a date. Days is to get number of days between two dates. E-date is to get a date after specific number of months. EVO month is to get a last date of a month after specific number of months. Hour is to get hour of a date time. Minute is to get minutes of a date time. Second is to get seconds of a date time. ISO week num is to get week number. Network days is to get number of working days between 2 days considering Sunday and Saturday as weekends. NETWORKDAYS.INTL is to get number of working days between 2 dates with specific weekends. Workday is to get next working day after specific days considering Sunday and Saturday as weekends. Workday.intl is to get next working day after specific days with specific weekends. That's all about this video. We'll see further concepts in our next videos. Any suggestions, please comment below. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel.